Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download files using Internet Download Manager. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the download page of the file or video you want to download. Once you're on the download page, copy the direct download link by clicking the Copy Link button or copying the URL. After copying the link, go back to your desktop and open Internet Download Manager, also known as IDM. On the IDM home screen, click the Add URL button, represented by the plus sign on the toolbar. In the URL field, paste the link that you copied from your browser. After pasting the link, click OK. IDM will analyze the download link and open the download window. Now choose the folder where you want to save the file, if needed. Then click the Start Download button. Internet Download Manager will begin downloading your file immediately. You can monitor the download progress directly from the IDM window. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.